Okay, so I am very audible. Okay, so there are a few websites that is no one we are uh, using is sqlpractice.com, and these websites we will be using for our video today. Let's start. So it is telling that show the first name and the last name concatenated into one column and show their full name. Now, yesterday I tried a lot of questions, and today we'll be doing the same. But yesterday I didn't stream, so today we'll do it. So, show the first name. So, for show, we select, then we say first name, then we say last name, concatenated into one column, and show them as full name. Select uh, um, concatenate two column. How do I concat two columns in SQL? Let's see. To concat two columns in SQL, we do concat column 1, column 2 as this. So what do I do? We will try doing concat first name comma last name, and then we'll say as full name, right? From patients. Is it correct? Nope, this is not correct. Query does not match expected output. Request a hint for the help. Okay, I am doing something wrong if it is like that, I think. Okay, we had to concat this, right? So what if I do a space in between? Yes, okay, correct. We got our first question correct. Next question, please. Show first name, last name, and the full province name of each patient. Now, what is full province name? I don't have an idea, but let's see. So, firstly, let's remove this. Put this. I wanted to see just one thing, that what is province. This is province ID. Full province name of each patient. Now, what is full province name? I don't know. There are how many columns? Okay, these are the columns. Full province name. Okay. Example, Ontario instead of on. Okay. But for that I should be having a key, right? Yeah, this is province names also we have. Okay, so for this we have two data sets. One is patient, which is this, and one is province ID. Let's see that province names, right? And province ID. Province ID. I think there's nothing called as province ID. Yes or not? I don't know. Okay. Anyways, so we have province name as something which we wanted. Yes. तो हम क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे? We will say something like show the first name. So we'll select the first name, then we'll select the last name and the full province name of each patient. Now, how do I take province name of each patient? I have no idea. What I just had to do is to take, instead of writing ON, I have to write Ontario. If I have AB, I should have something like key value, but I don't know exactly how to do that. How do I take values from other table in SQL? I have to search something like that. Show values from other table in SQL. The join operator is used to remove the virtual table that is used by SQL. I have to see. Okay, referenced values from this. Okay, use unnecessary cookies. um, okay, so what you have to do is you have country name, you have some other column from project, then you do a inner join on country. Okay, if this is equals to this, I don't know if I think this won't work. For example, if you are trying to get a country's name by using country ID in this project table shown in your question, you do something like this. Your condition, I don't have any condition, but I'll try doing inner join last name from patients. Also, I can so to get okay. Anyways, let's see. Um, is my mic working properly? Let's check. Hello, hello. Nah, it's not. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello. Anyways, ठीक है. So inner join province names, um, and I got a display uh, on ID country and like this. Okay, so I got to display province ID on province ID. How do I say C dot or something like that? Project from project P. This is how much years old? Customer. Oh, I can do something like this. Patients dot first name. I can say patients dot last name. Okay, like this. And then I can say since we are joining them on province ID, I think province ID remains as a common column in both of these, right? Yes. Yes or no? ID country, province ID, some column. No, not. I don't want some column. Now I just wanted to do province names dot province name, something like this. Ambiguous column name province ID. Okay, it is ambiguous column. I agree to that. Province dot underscore names dot is equal to um, patients patients dot province ID. Is it right? Okay, I got it correct. Cool. Ah, finally, I'm getting a hang of it. Um, well, let's see. Next question. We have to show how many patients have a date of birth with 2010 as birth year. Okay, cool. We'll do that also. We have to show length of how do ऐसे पेशेंट्स में मेरे पास क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं. आई वांटेड टू से पेशेंट आईडी. लेट्स काउंट पेशेंट आईडीज. पेशेंट आईडी from patients where birth date is, I can say, is 2010. Can do this, or I can do is equals to 2010. No rows to display. Length of patient ID, birth date. It was birth year. Oh, I think birth date is full date, and hence we are not able to get it. Basically, I think I have to split. Is it? Yes, I have to split it. So, how do I split a string? Split a string in SQL. एक चीज़ जो मैंने अभी सीखी है, बट दैट इज़ कि इफ़ यू हैव टू फेच अ कॉलम from another table, what you do is you make an inner join and you map the two similar columns together, and those two similar columns, I have to open a rem node here. It's very interesting. I have to create a note of blank document of SQL queries. So if you have to fetch a column from another table, and you have a common key column, you can make an inner join and fetch it. Now let me show you how you do it. First I should do control D. I should paste it, right? No, D. Control Z, control Z. Yes, I do something like this, but this is a code, so I select it and I make it as a code. Okay, cool. Select, I have to do this capital select patients from, make it look like an SQL query. It's not just a simple sentence, it's SQL query. Make it look like it on like this, and make sure that you have proper formatting. So I'll do something like inner join. Nope, I don't want to do this then. अगर ऐसा format बिगड़ जाएगा तो मतलब नहीं है. So what we do have now is that we have an SQL query, because of which, for example, what was the previous question about? Can I see previous question or something like that? Nope. You are given province IDs in patients table, but those province IDs map to the actual values in some different table. So mm, in province names, I should probably put it in inverted commas and make it italic and bold, and also do this same for here, bold and italic. In province names, we perform this query to um, fetch to get the results we wanted. Okay, I think this is going good. I don't want to do this. I want to do a plain paragraph. Can I do that? um, Anyways, SQL has been very underrated skill while learning about data science, but we use it daily in industry. Hence, this post will help you to revise a few concepts of SQL and make you more familiar with the advanced concepts. However, I am doing it while learning, so I think many people who are reading this blog will also try to relate as to what I wanted to say and what is the message that I wanted to convey, and probably this blog will help out many people. Okay. uh, okay, cool. Can you please go in, and then that's it. Okay, so coming on to the next question. Let me have water 1 minute. Okay. Show how many patients have a birth date with 2010 as birth year. So to solve this problem, I have to first see that हमारे पास जो birth date given है, that is in this form of which is separated by dash or hyphens. So what I will try to do is split a string in SQL, and I'll try using string split. Okay, so I'll try doing select what do I say, length of patient IDs from patients where string split. How do I string split? Where string split is a function, right? इधर नहीं है तो मैं क्या करूँ? String split where birth date and this is separated by this. इसका 0th index चाहिए हमको. Can I do something like that? I don't even know this, but let's see. This is going to be funny. I don't know. Let's see. How do I split a string? An example is this, space से separate किया and we get this from Okay, cool. I think it makes sense. It makes sense. From text cross apply string sentence. Okay. Uh, where iska zeroth is equals to 2010. I don't know if it's clear or not. Zero is not obviously you cannot have zeros. Okay, so I want to patients where apply. Can I apply it? Nope. Well, this autocomplete system is a total sham, so I don't know how to do it again. ID and values are selected. Apply. Can I use cross? CROSS, but I don't know how why cross is used. Nope, I don't find a solution. I think I may have stumbled upon the solution, but select split as string split. Red, green, yellow, and we are splitting on it, but we are only taking this. Okay, okay. Cool. Not bad, not bad. So what do I do now is I try uh, split birth date on hyphens, and I take 0 equal 2010. No such function called as split, but there was this function that I used previously that was string split, and I can do a 0 here if it's like that. No, string split is also not a function. How do I split it then? Limit separator compare. Okay, can I have a practical hands-on experience with it? Nope. Okay, so I am stuck. So how do I get myself out from here? I need uh, string split function. SQL Server string split. I haven't got it slightest of the idea as to how to use it. Let's try. It will be fun. Okay, चल. Input डाला, string separator डाला, and I will be back in a second. Okay, so we are back. um, I don't know how do people use it. I probably have to take in some examples. Select value, but I don't have it. Like, what if I say select this from string split? Okay, string split. Well, this is frustrating because I don't know how to do it. I'm not seeing the solution right now, but I will try as much as I can. Uh, Split a string in SQL where clause के साथ. I have zero ideas as to what to do. String split, separator, return types, remarks, order by. Select patient ID का length where date of birth is this, right? The date of birth is 2010. Hence what I wanted to do was from string split birth date. I'm trying doing it. I don't know exactly if it will work or not. Equals कभी काम नहीं करेगा. Birth date string split. String split कुछ नहीं होता. What do I do then? Split? There's nothing called a split. As a split? Is it like that? Is it capital split? I'm completely clueless. I wanna get hint. Expected output is 55 and solution का keyword is select count where year. Oh, is it like that? Okay. So select count from patients where birth date dot year is 2010. oh प्लीज़ आ जा यार, अब तो आ. बर्थ डेट डॉट ईयर कुछ नहीं होता. सो फॉर दैट आई हैव टू सी इट. आई कैन नॉट हेल्प इट. सॉल्यूशन पोर्शन प्लीज. वेयर ईयर ऑफ डेट ऑफ बर्थ. This is so easy. I made it so complicated. Fuck. Okay, right. Okay, now it's okay. Okay. I tried a lot, but I messed up. Anyways, everybody does. Okay, let's move forward. Let's make a new point. If you want to fetch year of from a date type, column, use space. I wanted something like that, not like this. I wanted anyways, I want you to have this dot you do year of date column name is equal to year you want to filter. That's how. This is one of the standard formats of what I have discovered till now. So yep, thank you so much for letting me know. This was so stupid of me. Anyways, let's do a 2. Oi. How do I do shift tab? Okay, right. No. I do shift tab and yes, do. Okay. What's the next question? First name, last name, height of the patient with the greatest height. So I do first name, last name. That is easy, right? ये तो हो जाएगा. First name, last name, and height of the patient with the greatest height. Where I do max of height. Misuse of aggregate function max. Greatest कुछ होता है greatest नहीं. How to find out maximum, और या फिर greatest number. SQL प्लीज़ राह बताइए हमें. Okay, SQL में max function is the one for the largest value, right? Yes, so I am doing maximum height, but max का misuse हो रहा है यहाँ पे because max is an aggregate function, so it turns out that I cannot be using it. But select max. ऐसा है क्या कुछ? तो select max height. I do just like yes, this was correct. Max of height directly select करना है, so you do it like that. Okay, cool. So do something like to select the largest value from a column. You use max in select query. So how do you do that? Let me put in a screenshot. Now from now on I will also put in some screenshots. Not like this. Can I just remove this thingy? I cannot, turns out. Yes. Can I do this? Well, yes, you can do that. What I can do like this, right? हाँ, ठीक है. Cool. I should be removing all this stuff, right? And I move it all up. Give me a perfect screenshot like this. Okay. And you paste it in here. Done. That's how you do it. Wait, what happened? Back. Wait, कहाँ गया? Okay, yep. उसके ऊपर क्लिक नहीं करना, तो कुछ हो जाएगा. Okay, if I take this, I say splash like this. Okay, cool. Next question, please. Show all the columns for the patients who have one of the following patient IDs. For the patients, show all the columns for the patients who have one of the following patient IDs. So what you can do is asterisk, and then what I should be doing is have one of the following patient IDs. So what do I do about patient IDs? Where use a where clause, where patient ID uh, um, I think there was one keyword which I was yes, patient ID in 145 as something like this. So I will patient ID in, I'll do something like this. I'll expect कि ये run हो जाना चाहिए. Yes, so this is running perfecto. uh, cool. Use of in clause. um, if you want to search something in a specific index or specific search for something in specific IDs or unique values or specific IDs, unique values. If you want to search for some specific IDs or unique values, what you should be doing, or some in a column we use in clause, right? I will put in a screenshot here again. Right, like this. Really? Cool. Yep, they also did the same, what I did. Okay, cool. Now I wanted more advanced total number of admissions. So show the total number of admissions is just easy. I choose select total or sum patient ID from patient. Oh, admission. Now the database has changed. Oh, okay, cool. Admissions total from admission. Is it correct? Query does not match the expected output. Expected output is 5067. आई थिंक मैंने थोड़ा सा कहीं पे गड़बड़ करा. शो टोटल नंबर ऑफ एडमिशन बोल रहा है, वही तो किया मैंने. टोटल नंबर ऑफ एडमिशन. oh I wanted to count unique. ओके लेंथ या फिर वो ले सकते ना काउंट. यस करेक्ट. हाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नॉट वर्थ मेंशनिंग इन ब्लॉग. Show all columns from admission where the patient was admitted and discharged on the same day. Wow. Okay, cool. Admissions में मेरे को देखना है all columns from admissions where मेरे को ज़रा दिखा स्कीमा में अपने पास एडमिशन डेट डिस्चार्ज डेट. ठीक है. where admission की डेट equals discharge की date. Simple like something like this, right? है ना? Right, correct. Next question please. To patient, show the patient ID and the total number of admissions for the patient ID 579. Yeah, but now the questions are getting a little bit easier. I want now more tough questions because I think I have got a knack of it. let's let's hang in here for more time. Probably something more exciting we'll find. Total number of admissions for patient ID. Okay, count patient ID again, right? Yes, patient ID count as 2, right? Next. Hmm. Now this is interesting. What they did is count asterisk as total admission instead of just counting one specific column. Okay, this is interesting, but not worth catching my attention. Okay, that the patients live show unique cities that are in province IDs NS. Um. Hmm. I will go to my Purana schema where province ID is equals to NS, and I'll use the semicolon. Python programmers do not know how to use semicolon, so I am very not used to doing it. Okay, I have patient ID, I have count, I have everything which I needed. Um, well, let's see again. Okie dokie, okay. Okay, so this is province NS. Then what do I needed? I needed live patients live in based on the cities that our patients live in. Okay, unique cities. How do I do unique? I do think there was something called as select unique. There was a keyword called as unique. I knew that. Uh, unique cities, city, something like that. How to select unique. Can I just do unique? Scale unique. भाई थोड़ा कुछ नया देना यार, एकदम मज़ा नहीं आया. I want to create table. I just want unique. Is there something unique in here? Select. Select unique values from columns. Distinct होता है, distinct. Yes. Port Hawkesbury, Halifax and Inverness. Nice. Loved it. Write a query to find first name, last name, date of birth, who has height greater than 160, weight greater than 70. Okay, so we have now the first question with multiple questions, multiple conditions, right? So if I have to write multiple conditions, I'll say where height is greater than 160, um, weight, I don't know, I'm just trying random shit out. I don't have any experience with it. Weight is greater than 70, not less than 70, greater than 70, and distinct city. Query to find first name, last name, birth date. first name, last name, birth date from patient who has height greater than 160. Okay, there's a syntax का error. Okay, and आना चाहिए यहाँ पे. Okay, right, cool. I knew it. Oh, nice. This was nice. Uh, query. How do I write multiple? Uh, how to write multiple conditions? You may write something like this, right? This is cool. Cool, right? Next question, please. Write a query to find list of patient's first name, last name, and allergies from Hamilton. Where allergies are not null. Well, the questions are now becoming a little bit boring. I really wanted to see view questions. I want the hard questions now. Yes, I want hard questions. Show unique birth years from patients and order them by ascending. Okay. Unique birth years. I'll say distinct birth years. Birth years बोल रहा है तो I'll say year, birth date, and order them from patients. Order by ascending. Order by how to order by I don't know. SQL order by W3 schools comes up on the top. I will say order by country. Okay, is it something like कि मेरे को बस directly यही बोलना है birth date, something like this? Oh, cool. I got it. Yes. Okay, this was intermediate question. ठीक है, I'm getting it. Okay, as birth year. Okay, ये लिखना ज़रूरी होता है लेकिन कि distinct this as birth year. Okay, something like this has to be written. Start by generating questions. Okay, time हो रहा है 1:58. I will be streaming 5 minutes more and then I will be stopping the stream because I have chores to run. And yes, let's see. Find a way to find the list of patients' first name, last name, allergies from Hamilton. अरे नहीं यार, ये नहीं चाहिए मुझे, थोड़ा difficult question चाहिए. Completed. Okay, this is something difficult. Unique first names from the patient table which only occurs once in list. Okay, I'll say distinct first name from patients which occurs once in list. For example, if 2 or more people are named as John, then don't include their name in the output list. One person, then include them in the output. Okay, इसका मतलब if they are actually repeating like more than once, if 2 people have name called as John you don't actually mm, I will be using trying to do it. Hello, 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 hello. Yes, my mic is online finally. चलो. Okay. तो हमें क्या करना है यहाँ पे? That is, first select distinct first name from patient order by birth date. अरे ये तो पुराना वाला है, इसको हटाओ यहाँ से. Show unique first name from patient if count where count of count value counts SQL oh, so you have to use group by. Where patients group by first name ग्रुप वाई भी आ रहा है यहाँ पे. There are many names which are being repeated a lot and that's what we have to eliminate. ठीक है. I'm sorry. Okay, SQL, I want to eliminate get unique values not repeating more than one. Not show duplicates. How to select record with duplicate with just one field in SQL. Okay, this is count employee ID as unique records. From this, select distinct from data layer. Okay. Count. Okay, group by this having count equals 1. Okay, so if I say group by first name having count equal 1, I got it. 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 Yes. Okay. So if I have to if I have to fetch unique names of people, unique first names of people um, which are repeated only once, which are repeated only once. I just wanted to I just want names which are repeated only once and are not repeating more than one. Like, let's say if there's a name called as Abby and there's another girl named as Abby, so what we can formalize is that that Abby should not be the output, should not be in the output, whereas a name, let's say John, if repeated for like once in the whole table, should be there in the output. So of which people are repeated only once. So for example, Abby count 2, but John has count 1. I am having a call, so I'll be back in a second. Okay, so I'm back. But John has a count of 1. So for output, Abby should be ignored. John alright, control V, control I, should not be. Okay, cool. This was it, and I will to support my hypothesis or statements, I will insert my supporting screenshots, right? But I think I missed that, like, so this should be Abby, this should be John, ओके, मेक सेंस राइट। चलो अब इधर हमको क्या करना है, स्क्रीनशॉट घुसाना है। द स्क्रीनशॉट इज लाइक दिस, ओके, insert. So yeah, I will be closing down the stream right now, but thank you so much for but I learned a lot, and I will be learning and doing such questions more often. So if you want to do something like solve more questions, get more familiar with the SQL queries, what you can do is you can just do like this. Come to this website and solve some questions. There are some medium, hard level, difficulty questions. I will be solving all these questions here, and yep, see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for joining in, and see ya, bye bye, have a great day. I'll be streaming in a few hours again, but that stream will be for stable diffusion competition on Kaggle. So make sure to check that out too, and we roll out. Bye bye.